Hello and welcome to the class of Political Science. Today we will be understanding Preamble of the Constitution. December 13, 1946, objective resolution was presented by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, laying down the guiding principles of the Constitution, which later became the Preamble of the Constitution. Now, what is Preamble? Preamble refers to the introduction or preface of the Constitution. It contains essence or summary of the Constitution. This was the reason why Preamble was added at the end of the Constitution after the rest of the Constitution was already enacted. The reason was to ensure its conformity to the Constitution as adopted by the Constituent Assembly. N.A. Palkhiwala, an eminent jurist and constitutional expert, calls Preamble as identity card of the Constitution. Looking at the text of the Preamble, four ingredients are visible. Number 1. Source of authority of the Constitution. The Preamble states that Constitution derives its authority from people of India. Number 2. Nature of Indian state. Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic. Number 3. Objectives of Indian state. Justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. And number 4. Date of adoption of the Constitution. Preamble itself stipulated November 26, 1949 as date of adoption of the Constitution. Now the question arises, is Preamble a part of the Constitution? 1960 Birubari Union case. Supreme Court specifically held that Preamble is not a part of the Constitution. Then came historic judgment of Kesavananda Bharati case of 1973. Here, Supreme Court held that Preamble is part of the Constitution. It also observed that Preamble is of extreme importance and the Constitution should be read and interpreted in the light of the grand and noble vision of the Preamble. Here, three things should be noted down. Number 1. Preamble is neither a source of nor prohibition on the powers of the legislature. Number 2. Preamble is non-justiciable in nature, that is, it is non-enforceable in courts of law as fundamental rights. Preamble can be amended as it was amended back in 1976. The condition is the changes should not affect the basic features. In essence, we have seen introduction to the Preamble, what is Preamble, ingredients to the Preamble, Preamble as part of the Constitution, and certain things which needs to be noted. With this, we have completed our discussion on Preamble. Thank you.